Well, we get a lot of snow. I already plowed this morning, but we're gonna have to plow again. So let's go. Well guys, we are under a lake effect snow warning. As you can see, we've probably got about 10 inches so far today. And it's supposed to do this for approximately another 12 hours solid. So we have had a very, very mild winter. So we're kind of owed. Look at that behind me. Check that out. It's just so beautiful. I love how snow just makes everything look so cool. So we'll see what happens today. We're just gonna stay inside, keep warm, and relax today. Watch the snow fall. So stay warm, take care. God bless.